Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your dividend history on Robinhood. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the Accounts section, locate and tap on History. From here, you will see all your transaction history. To focus on dividends, look for the Filter option. Select Dividends to narrow down the view to just your dividend transactions. Now, you will see a list of all dividends earned. For backup purposes, take a screenshot of this screen. If you need detailed information, tap on each dividend entry to view further details. Write down or save the relevant details for each dividend for your records. You may also choose to export your transaction history as a CSV file. To do this, return to the History section. Select the option to export and choose Download CSV. Save the file to a secure location on your device. You can also email this file to yourself for additional backup. Now, you have successfully backed up your dividend history on Robinhood. Review the saved file or screenshots to ensure all information is recorded correctly. You're all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.